everyone, what's up? If you're facing issues with your Arris Surfboard SB8200, don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps to get your modem back up and running. So let's get started. Step 1. Check the power. First, let's make sure the Arris Surfboard is getting power. Check that the power cable is securely connected to the modem and the power outlet. If the power light isn't on, try plugging the modem into a different outlet. Step 2. Check the cable connections. Next, ensure all cables are properly connected. The coaxial cable should be tightly screwed into the modem and the wall outlet. Also, check the Ethernet cable connecting the modem to your router or computer. Step 3. Reboot the modem. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix many issues. Unplug the power cord from the modem, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Allow a few minutes for the modem to restart and reconnect to your ISP. Step 4. Check the status lights. The status lights on the front of the Arris modem can tell you a lot about what's going on. Here's what the lights mean. Power light should be solid green. Receive light should be solid blue or green, indicating a good downstream connection. Send light should be solid blue or green, indicating a good upstream connection. Online light should be solid green, showing the modem is connected to the internet. If any of these lights are off or blinking, it could indicate a problem with your connection. Step 5. Check for service outages. If your modem's status lights indicate a problem, check with your internet service provider to see if there are any service outages in your area. Step 6. Reset to factory settings. If everything else fails, you might need to reset your modem to factory settings. Locate the reset button on the back of the Arris modem. Using a paper clip or pin, press and hold the button for about 10 seconds until the lights on the modem flash. Keep in mind, this will erase any custom settings you've configured. And that's it. Hopefully, these steps helped you get your Arris Surfboard SB8200 back to working condition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.